Additional information is available at www.weather.gov/LMK. The next statement will be issued by Tuesday afternoon at 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time weather conditions across south central Kentucky. At Bowling Green, it was sunny. The temperature 77 degrees, the dew point 74, and the relative humidity 90%. The wind was southwest at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.11 inches and rising. At Glasgow, the temperature was 75 degrees, the dew point 75, and the relative humidity 100%. The wind was calm. The pressure was 30.13 inches and rising. At Hopkinsville, it was sunny. The temperature was 78 degrees, the dew point 74, and the relative humidity 86%. The wind was south at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.08 inches and rising. Once again, at Bowling Green it was 77 degrees under sunny skies. Elsewhere around the region, in London, rain was falling with a temperature of 74. At Middlesbrough, fog was reported with a temperature of 71. It was sunny with a temperature of 78 at Nashville, 78 at Clarksville, and 78 at Paducah. Under sunny skies, Evansville reported 78, Lexington reported 77, and Jackson, Tennessee reported 74. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 80 at Louisville and 77 at Knoxville. What? Dangerously hot conditions with heat index values of 105 to 115. Where? Portions of south central Indiana and central Kentucky. When? Until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. The following impacts are expected. Heat-related illnesses increase significantly during extreme heat and high humidity events. Drink plenty of fluids. Stay in an air-conditioned room. Stay out of the sun, and check up on relatives and neighbors. Do not leave young children and pets in unattended vehicles. Car interiors will reach lethal temperatures in a matter of minutes. Take extra precautions when outside. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing. Try to limit strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Take action when you see symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. What? Dangerously hot conditions can be expected with heat index values of 105 to 115 degrees. Where? All of southern Illinois, southwest Indiana, western Kentucky, and southeast Missouri. When? Until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. The following impacts are expected. Heat-related illnesses increase significantly during extreme heat and high humidity events. Drink plenty of fluids. Stay in an air-conditioned room. Stay out of the sun, and check up on relatives and neighbors. Take extra precautions when outside. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing. Try to limit strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Take action when you see symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. This is the climate data for Bowling Green for yesterday. The high temperature was 94. The low was 74. That gave a mean temperature of 84, which was 5 degrees above normal. There were 19 cooling degree days for a monthly total of 288 and a seasonal total of 616, which was 96 degree days above normal. Heating degree days remained at 0 for the month and 3260 for the season, which was 534 degree days below normal. No precipitation fell yesterday for a monthly total of 4.53 inches and a yearly total of 20.02 inches, which was 6.43 inches below normal. Since midnight, the low temperature was 73 and no precipitation fell. The record high for today is 108 set in 2012. The record low for today is 49 set in 1923. Sunrise today, 5:30 a.m. Sunset tonight, 8:09 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow, 5:30 a.m. Sunset tomorrow, 8:09 p.m. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for south central Kentucky, including the Bowling Green area. Today, sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. Southwest winds up to 5 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-70s. Southwest winds up to 5 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. Light winds becoming south up to 5 miles an hour in the afternoon. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-70s. Light winds. And now the extended forecast for the radio listening area. Thursday and Thursday night, mostly clear. A 20% chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-90s. Lows in the mid-70s. Friday and Friday night, mostly clear. A 40% chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 90s. Lows in the mid-70s. Independence Day and Saturday night, partly cloudy. A 40% chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 90s. Lows in the mid-70s. Sunday and Sunday night, partly cloudy. A 50% chance of thunderstorms. Highs around 90. Lows in the mid-70s. Monday and Monday night, partly cloudy. A 50% chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s. Lows in the lower 70s. The current time is 7:36 a.m. Central Daylight Time.